Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Singh, fourth year student of Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. Today I am here to present my topic, which is to reduce the pollution from thermal power plants. Table of content. In this we include introduction part, how the power plant works, greenhouse effects, and IIT Madras on syngas. Now, what is the need of electricity and thermal power plants? In India, around 60% of the electricity is still generated from thermal power plants. Emission from energy sector account for more than 75% of the greenhouse gases. There is a place in US Valley where the temperature reaches to 54.4 degrees centigrade in August 16, 2020. Introduction. A thermal power station is a power station in which heat energy is converted into electricity. The generation of electricity required large amount of area, large amount of finance, large amount of resources, and large amount of coal. Around 1.5 millions of tons of coal are required to produce the electricity. Coal are stored in coal yard. Generally, coal yard is a large area where we can store our coal. Now, the coal are grind into small pieces and transfer into the boiler. Now, there are small pipes present in the boiler. There are two type of S's are present in the boiler. First one is bottom S, which is given to the cement company, and the second one is fly S, which contain very harmful substances which we remove with the help of EST, electrostatic precipitator. This is the working principle of a power plant. Now, with the help of turbine, we convert the hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. With the help of generator, we convert the further energy into electrical energy. The turbine is linked by an axle of a generator, so the generator is spin and with the turbine blades, basically it convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. This is the working principle of our thermal power plant. Now, what is the need of syngas? Basically, syngas or synthesis gas is the mixture containing primary hydrogens, carbon monoxides, and very often some carbon dioxide. Syngas is usually a product of coal and mainly application in electricity generation. Syngas is combustible and can be used as a fuel of internal combustion engine. It used to produce the diesel. Basically, we wanted to convert the CO2 into different gas. We use syngas because it produced to help IIT Madras on syngas. The group of researchers of IIT Madras came up with this. In this, coal is partially burned in supply of CO2 at 100 degrees centigrade. In greenhouse gases, major substance is CO2. To reduce the amount of CO2, IIT Madras done a research and produced syngas. Trapped gases are released, such as nitrogen and methane. When the temperature between 800 to 900 degrees centigrade, the carbon in coal start reacting with O2 in the air and form CO and hydrogen. This is called a syngas form. Mixture of a CO and H are called syngas. Now, basically, what we can do in this, we just basically reduce the amount of CO2 that are present in our thermal power plant. Basically, what is the effect of CO2? We all know that climate conditions are changes. There is a place in US Valley where the temperature are reaches to 54.4 degrees centigrade on August 2020. Now the temperature of earth is increasing day by day. The major substance of climate change is CO2, or which is primarily reduced from the thermal power plant. So we wanted to decrease the amount of CO2 as much as possible. With the help of this, we can reduce some amount of CO2 which are emitted from the thermal power plant. Basically, why we use only syngas? Because syngas is used to produce the diesel. It reduces around 1.4% of the CO2 emission. It reduces nearly 602 million tons of CO2 emission. That is the formation of syngas. You can say that. References.